In the year 2025, a question hangs over everything we do. Who will win the ultimate battle, humans or artificial intelligence? We see it everywhere, headlines screaming about job losses, industries being automated, and a future where human skills become obsolete. It's a genuine fear. Will a machine take my job? How will I provide for my family? Is everything I've learned about to become worthless? The anxiety is real, and it's fueled by the incredible speed of technological change. On one side, you have the relentless efficiency of AI. It can process trillions of data points in a second, identify patterns invisible to the human eye, and work 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break. AI can analyze market trends, write code, generate complex financial models, and even create art. Its strengths are in speed, scale, and raw computational power. It's logical, data-driven, and unflinchingly objective. But on the other side, you have us, humans. We possess something that can't be coded. We have intuition, that gut feeling that tells us when something is right or wrong, even when the data says otherwise. We have empathy, the ability to connect with another person, to understand their needs, and to build genuine relationships. We have creativity, the power to imagine something entirely new, to dream up a future that doesn't exist yet, and to tell stories that move the soul. We bring moral judgment, context, and a deep understanding of the human experience to every decision. AI can analyze 1 million customer reviews, but a human can understand the frustration in a single customer's voice. AI can generate 1,000 marketing slogans, but a human can craft the one perfect story that captures a brand's heart. These are not trivial skills. They are the very essence of what drives progress and innovation. So the question isn't really human versus AI. That's the wrong way to look at it. The narrative of conflict is holding us back. What if this isn't a battle at all? What if it's the most powerful collaboration in history? Imagine a doctor armed with an AI that analyzes thousands of medical scans in minutes, instantly flagging potential issues. The AI handles the data, allowing the doctor to focus her time and expertise on what truly matters. Treating the patient, communicating with empathy, and making a life or death judgment call based on experience and intuition. The AI provides the what, the human provides the why and the how. Think of an architect. AI can generate thousands of structurally sound building designs based on specific parameters. But it's the human architect who walks the site, understands the play of light at dusk, and designs a space that feels like home. The AI provides the blueprint. The human provides the soul. This isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation. But AI is not our rival. It is the most powerful tool we have ever created. It's a force multiplier for our own abilities. It automates the tedious, the repetitive, and the overwhelming, freeing up our minds to do what we do best, to think critically, to create, to connect, and to lead. The fear of being replaced by AI only becomes a reality if we refuse to adapt. The real danger isn't the rise of the machines, but the stagnation of our own skills. So, who wins in 2025? The answer is clear. It's not human or AI. It's the human who masters AI. It's the professional who learns to leverage these tools to become faster, smarter, and more creative than ever before. It's the leader who integrates AI to empower their team, not replace them. The future doesn't belong to artificial intelligence. The future belongs to humans who use artificial intelligence. Your creativity, your empathy, your strategic thinking, these are now your most valuable assets. The time to fear is over. The time to build is now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, make sure to subscribe for more.